Hi, my name is Sean White, CEO of Whiteboard Marketing. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to modernize your practice for existing and new patients. Number 1, online patient forms. Contact your patient management system and understand what kind of module they have that you can actually integrate into your website where new and existing patients can create their own account, fill in the information, and dump it right into the patient management system. Number 2, online scheduling. Providing online scheduling to your new and existing patients is critical these days. Contact your patient communication system. A lot of times they have modules that you can integrate, but you also have third-party companies like My Dental Time, Schedule Widget, Local Med. Use these services and start with emergencies or just hygiene and increase it from there. Number 3, texting using your Google My Business messaging feature. Everybody knows how to text. All you have to do is go into your Google My Business page, activate your messaging function, and next thing you know, your prospective and existing patients can begin texting directly with you. Number 4, live chat on your website. Most of your website traffic comes after hours or on the weekends. To have a 24/7 solution there will help people stay on your page. And when you add online scheduling and online patient forms, the chatters can help direct them and help with the conversion of that new patient. Number 5, utilize your Facebook Messenger. Every single day, our digital marketing specialists are responding to inquiries that come in through Facebook Messenger. It's already loaded on your Facebook business page. Activate it and use it. Set auto response if you don't have anybody monitoring. If not, people will expect responses, and that will definitely help you with patient conversion. Adopt any of these and you'll be on your way to offering the convenience both your prospective and current patients crave. I'm Sean White, CEO of Whiteboard Marketing.